for a particular age, there's a particular path which is going to be able to take one all the way. Because the basic intelligences, the basic defects of any given age are the same. So what could take one to the ultimate perfection in one age cannot get one even up to the first floor in another age. Anyway, if someone tries that, at least he's making an attempt. But he can't reach the ultimate goal. In this particular age, people have an intense desire to enjoy. They are very agitated. They're very impatient. And still, there are some very intelligent people. And they can understand that ultimately they have to become happy. And that happiness has to come from within. That externally, the happiness we perceive never satisfies us. So Krishna consciousness is actually meant for this age. Kalo dosha nidhi rajan hasti hyaka mahan guna kirtanareva krishnasya mukta sangha parang bhajet. There's a whole volume of a book dedicated simply to describing all the defects of this present age. It said that people will grow long hair and think themselves beautiful by the length of their hair. It says that people will gradually lose the quality of mercy and not only kill animals, but eventually they will become cannibals. It gives so many descriptions that how the members of the family, they will live separately. Families will break up. Marriages won't last. Eventually there will be no formal marriage before God, but simply by agreement people will live together. Now these things were unheard of when these literatures are written. And of course now they're daily happenings. Even in New York City, I understand that they're selling human flesh in the black market. So after this whole description is given, how gradually people become reduced in their lifespan, it says, what's the use of saying all these defects? Kalo dosha nidhi rajan, it's an ocean of defects. Hasti yaka mahanguna, but there's one good quality. Kirtanareva krishnasya, Krishna kirtan, chanting of the holy name of Krishna. Mukta sangha parang bhajet. One becomes liberated from attachment to this material world and he reaches the supreme destination.